Good afternoon, friends. Let's discuss today's current affairs topic, Greater Eyes on Moon, critical for missions as per the study by ISRO. A recent study conducted by a scientist from ISRO's SAC in collaboration with other research institutions has revealed enhanced possibilities of water ice occurrence in the polar craters of the Moon. The study suggests that the amount of subsurface ice in the first couple of meters is significantly larger than the ice at the surface in both poles. Drilling to sample or excavate this ice will be crucial for future missions and human presence on the Moon. The study indicates that the extent of water ice in the northern pole region is double than in the southern polar region. The primary source of subsurface water ice in the lunar poles is believed to be an outgassing during volcanism in the Umbrian period. The distribution of water ice is likely influenced by mere volcanism and preferential impact catering. Now, research tools. The research team used various instruments on board the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, including radar laser, optical neutron spectrometer, ultraviolet spectrometer, thermal radiometer to study the origin and distribution of water ice on the Moon. Significance of this study is accurate knowledge of water ice occurrence in the lunar poles is essential for future missions exploring lunar volatiles. The study supports ISRO's future in situ volatile exploration plans on the Moon. About ISRO in situ volatile exploration. ISRO is planning future mission to explore and study the water ice and other volatiles present in the permanently shadowed polar regions of the Moon. ISRO is developing landers and rovers with capability to drill into the lunar surface to extract and analyze subsurface volatile deposits like water ice. Technologies like cryogenic sample handling, volatile extraction plants and ISRO propellant production plants are being developed for utilizing lunar resources. In the long run, ISRO aims to set up a lunar polar exploration mission to scout for an ideal location to harvest water for a sustained lunar habitat. Detailed study and utilization of lunar volatiles is critical for ISRO's future plans of setting up lunar bases and human spacelift missions to the Moon. That's all for today. Thank you.